Hi all, let's learn coding. It's so much fun. This puzzle is Laurel should get to the time with using this code, but it has a mistake. Let's debug this code and put it in the right order. So I will move forward here and turn left, then collect, then move forward. Now let's debug the code. It moved one step. It should not turn left. It should move. Has to go here. So it's wrong. So this should be here. Let's debug the code again. Moved. It moved. That's correct. It turned left. No. Here's the diamond. Here's not. So click reset and like this. Now we'll turn left, move forward, then collect. Now let's run the code. Yes, code works and it's finished. My name is Aristeja. I hope you learned how to fix problems with code. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye.